Hey, what's going on? My name's Josh Rivera, and this is what my workout looks like. Historically, I've been really into strength training, basically the end of my college years, but I had to stop for a little while for some other projects because it's a little bit more versatile to keep kind of a leaner sort of physique. I think before it was much more aesthetic, and now it's a little bit more about the health component, just to keep the mobility, flexibility, and being as active for as long as possible. When I was in high school, I was really into sports. I did track, I did wrestling, I did football, I tried basketball. I'm very bad at basketball. That one never came to me. So I got really excited when I got this project where I got to be an NFL player because they were just like, gain as much weight as you can. So I was really excited about that. It was a wild ride. I had a whole new body in like 5 months. It was pretty crazy. When I got hired, I was 187 pounds. When we started shooting, I think I was 218 pounds. So I gained 30 pounds, right? Yes. Right? Yeah. Working out when I have a busy work schedule or when I'm in the swing of filming, it is really tough. I'm not really a morning person, but I had to work out, I can't say ass crack, but I had to work out at the crack of dawn. Oh gosh, it was really hard. But you find time in the environment that you have in between setups where you can, do a set of push-ups or a set of curls or something here and there. That's just kind of the way that it has to go. It's always really helpful when you have fitness goals to have somebody to help keep you accountable. And for that, I had my trainer, Brian Kane, here. Come on in, good to see you, welcome.
He did an awesome job. Working with Josh was really a great opportunity because he showed up to work. We had to put a whole lot of muscle on him and make him look like an NFL football player. It was a journey to say the least.
Yeah.
He had some existing injuries that we had to work around a little bit. We had to take that all into account during his training, making sure we're getting the big bang boost to actually create the results and gaining the mass that we needed to make him look like Aaron.
Look at that, absolute wordsmith, this guy. That's what I was gonna say, but it didn't come to me. Foam rolling's great. I got some issues with my knees, so it's really nice for keeping the elasticity so nothing's getting pulled that shouldn't be in my legs. In general, for regular maintenance for basically anybody, it's just really, really good for you, and it's very, very good for kind of preventative purposes. Before a workout, after a workout, foam rolling is...
For his core, we did a lot of dynamic stability. Him having to maintain his posture while also performing an external load. I mean, he's got to wear shoulder pads throughout the entire filming, so we need to make sure that his trunk is able to maintain that strength and endurance throughout the entire filming process. But the core movements, we basically hit all planes of movement. So a lot of his stuff is, like I said, it's dynamic stability, so you got to maintain his trunk stability while, creating an external load or creating a direction change in his load.
Bench press is my favorite. Surprise, surprise.
We're trying to recreate Aaron Hernandez, who is just, a massive upper body. But it's all about volume, really. So creating enough volume to create the muscle mass. He was always pretty good at it, so
yeah,
it was something that we built into his program on a regular basis because we know it helped him feel good and also gave us the results we were trying to attain.
We did a lot of injury preventative work and foundational kind of establishing a really healthy base work. For me, it's always really nice to just get back to my meathead basics here that I'm really familiar with. So I love a bench press, man.
So lat pull downs, again, for him, he's going to be doing a lot of gripping and pulling. Also, just the size of Aaron Hernandez. He had massive lats, he had massive traps in neck and shoulders, and that's one of our best moves to create that mass. So the wide grips are really key. Also, the pull down's great for just arm development too. You see biceps and the brachialis develop as well.
Pull downs are really nice, versatile exercises. It's like Brian said, it's a really good arm developer and lat developer and just overall kind of like width.
Yeah.
Man, I used to hate reverse flies, but now they're one of my favorite exercises. That was one of the ones that I was really, really struggling on in the beginning just because of I think because just the shoulder mobility aspect of it, like it took a while to build that up. That was the first one that I could really actually feel myself getting stronger with. I think that's what made me be able to like see the lines on my back for the first time, which was super cool.
You know, a lot of people these days spending time on video games and or their cell phones, they have a tendency to get this rounded posture, which football players just don't have. They have that big broad chest and square posture. So the reverse flies were really to get his shoulder development in the right place, open up his chest a little bit more, and also develop that structure in the back that really looked good in film.
You just caught me when you were talking about that. I'm like,
Again, because he was going to be doing a lot of catching, a lot of gripping and pulling, and we could not afford a shoulder injury at any point in time. We wanted to make sure his rotator cuff was really strong. Developing that rotator cuff is really important for his gripping, his catching, overall just to maintain that bulk. So also one of the exercises we incorporated was the seated shrug. That exercise is really important for Josh to build his upper trapezius and also his neck diameter, create that appearance of that upper body mass that Aaron Hernandez had.
all right, well, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Josh Rivera. Don't forget to check out American Sports Story Aaron Hernandez on FX.